In today's video, I'm going to teach you TurboTax Premier versus Home and Business. Which should you choose? If you're trying to decide between these two TurboTax versions for 2026, this guide will help you quickly understand which one fits your tax situation best. The key difference really comes down to the type of income you need to report and the tools you need during the filing process. To get started, go to the TurboTax product comparison page. This is the best place to view both options side by side because it lets you compare features, pricing, and filing details in one place. Taking a moment to review the comparison page can make your decision much easier before you buy. Next, review the features of TurboTax Premier and TurboTax Home and Business carefully. Pay attention to what each version is designed for, because even though both are tax software products, they serve different needs. You should choose TurboTax Premier if you need to report investment-related or property-related income. That includes investment income from stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. It's also a good choice if you need to report cryptocurrency transactions. And if you own rental property, TurboTax Premier is designed to help with rental income and expense reporting as well. So if your taxes are mainly focused on investments and rentals, this version is usually the better fit. On the other hand, choose TurboTax Home and Business if you are self-employed or run your own business. This version is intended for freelancers, independent contractors, sole proprietors, and small business owners. It's especially useful if you need help tracking business income, recording expenses, and identifying business deductions that may lower your taxable income. If your taxes involve business activity, rather than just investments, this is likely the version you want. After that, compare the included features, pricing, and the federal and state filing options for each version. This is an important step because the best choice is not only about eligibility, but also about value. Make sure the version you choose supports the forms and tax situations you need, while also fitting your budget. Once you've made your decision, click Buy Now under the version that best matches your tax situation. From there, complete the purchase and follow the prompts to begin preparing your tax return. The software will guide you through the setup process step by step, so just answer each section carefully and review your information as you go. Thanks for watching.